The WordPress backend is part of website that is available only for authenticated users. By default, all registered users have access to it, and the number of available actions is based on the user capabilities. In this section, I will walk you through the WordPress backend and explain what each part is for and how to use it. Let's start with Dashboard. Dashboard is essentially your home page, which you will see every time you log in. From here, you can view basic stats for your site, draft a new post, see reminders of what you have published recently, and check out what's new with WordPress. If you click on Updates, you will be taken to a new screen that will show you whether your current version of WordPress, your themes, and your plugins are up to date. Next in the menu is Post section. The All Posts page shows in table format every post that you have drafted or published. This is your base for the post management. To write a new post, click Add New. To edit or delete an existing post or publish a draft, click on its respective title in the table or simply hover over the title and click one of the options that pops up. You may also see menu options for categories and tags. These are the pages where you manage tags and categories assigned to each of your posts. Next is the media section. This is where all of your images, videos, files, and other uploaded items are hosted. To upload items to your library, click Add New. In the screen that pops up, you can either drag and drop something into the space or click to browse for files. The next section is where you add and manage pages for your site. Pages are not the same things as posts. A page on WordPress is, for example, your home page or About Us page. It's an overview or a quick hit of information or some kind of gallery. Next, we have Comments section. The Comments section is, as you might have guessed, the place where you moderate the comments on your posts and pages. The next section you will see in your admin menu is the Appearance section, which is all about how your site looks on the front end. Here's where you select and customize your theme, including widgets and menus. Clicking on Themes shows you the theme you have installed in WordPress. If you want to install a new one, click Add New. This is where we will install Divi theme later. The Customize header and background sections redirect you to built-in customizer. This is where you can choose background and header images if you want them, or change your color scheme. From here, you can customize other pieces that appear on your front end. Back under the Appearance menu, clicking on Widgets or Menus will take you to their respective management pages. The menu page is where you create and organize menus for your site. Building menus is simple. Just check the pages or post links you want to include. Click Add to Menu and then drag and drop to rearrange your menu links. When you have gotten things organized, select a menu location and save your menu. On the widget page, you can add new widgets as well as active and reorder them. It's as simple as dragging and dropping the widgets you want to use into your various widgets ready locations. Finally, the editor page is where you can play around with the coding for your theme. It's best leave this area alone. Messing with your code could lead to a broken website. Next, the plugin section. It shows you the plugins that you have installed and the WordPress plugin directory. The next user section is where you manage all your users who have logged in for your site. If you are the only one with access, you will be only one listed. Your profile section is where you manage all the information about yourself, as well as how you want the backend set up. The Tools section makes life little easier when you set up your site. Ones that may be particularly helpful for you are the import and export tools. If you are bringing content over from another site, you probably need to use the import tool. To prepare content for moving to another site, use export. At last, we come to settings element. This part of WordPress admin is where you manage everything about your site that is non-covered in another area. For example, title and tagline, date and time format, language, options for comments, how many posts are visible on page, etc. When you first set up your site, go through all the settings and don't forget to go through the subsections too. That's all for this lesson. In next lesson, we will install the Divi theme. See you guys in next one.